This is Sam. He is very tired. Oh. He goes into a Starbucks because he wants caffeine so he can feel awake. All he wants is a simple black coffee. Easy, right? Sam looks at the big menu on the wall. There are too many choices. Latte, cappuccino, frappuccino, macchiato, grande, venti. Sam is totally confused. He says to the barista, "1 hot black coffee, please." The barista smiles and gives him a glass. But look, it's a giant glass full of ice cubes. "Here is your iced Americano," she says. Sam points his finger in shock. "No, this is cold. I just want a hot, normal black coffee." The barista says sorry. She goes to the espresso machine and hands Sam a new mug. But wait, the mug has a giant mountain of white milk foam. Sam leans back. "No, I do not want milk or foam. I just want a normal black coffee." Sam gets another drink and he sits at a table. He takes a sip. Oh no, the barista added 5 pumps of sweet vanilla syrup. It tastes like pure sugar. Sam makes a disgusted face. "This is too sweet. I don't want sugar." Sam goes back to the counter. He is very frustrated. "Please just give me a black coffee. Just a normal black coffee, please." The barista gives him a tiny mug, a tiny espresso cup. Sam's eyes bulge out of his head. "No, this size is too small. I just want a normal sized black coffee, please." The barista says, "An extra large venti?" And she gives him an insanely massive thermos mug. It's a giant mountain of black coffee. Sam is too tired to argue. He taps his card on the digital machine to pay. Sam sits down. He drinks the massive coffee very, very fast. "That was too fast, Sam." But now he's had too much caffeine. Look at his face. His eyes are wide open. His hands are shaking with crazy energy. Sam sits in a blue booth. The caffeine has made his brain crazy. Suddenly, he panics. His heart is pounding in his chest from all the caffeine. He feels like he's going to die. Poor Sam. He should not have drank so much caffeine. Dun, 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 dun. His heart is pounding. Sam starts to feel very, very sick. He is ill. He can't take it anymore. He has to ring an ambulance. He has to call 999. Goodbye, Sam. I hope you're okay. No more coffee for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Mwah. Wish Sam a good recovery. Bye.